Everybody say, I wanna make it right. I wanna make it right now. Right now. Sekali lagi dong tepuk tangan buat Vito sama Ivana. Selamat nikah ya teman. Let's go.